Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have our 2019 Nissan Sentra. We're going to go ahead and put the window back in. We've gone ahead and fixed everything we need to behind it. So you're going to take your window, put it in, drop it in at an angle, with the front down. Once you get it down low enough, you can straighten it out to be level, and you'll just let it sit down, and then so it gets down here, and then we can put our 10mm bolts that hold the window in. Alright, so with those bolts all tightened up, window has been installed, and you're good to go. Then you just put the rest of the panels back on, and that's good. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.